We live out on 5 acres in this beautiful community and have a big old shop that has a roof that's really, really too high up for anyone to safely get to clean off. So over the last 2 years, my husband and I have went back and forth about hiring someone or him doing it. And I just kept thinking, I just don't think it's safe. I think we should probably have professionals. Over the last couple of years, he thankfully agreed. We ended up we asked around, and his father actually is he's been flipping homes for years and highly recommended Guardian Roofing. They came out way late. Like, I couldn't believe it. It was like a 6:30, 6:45, which was really convenient because, again, my husband and I work. So to get out to our home and to be able to look at it. Of course, it was a little challenging because it was dark, but we luckily have floodlights and everything out there. The salesperson was wonderful, went through everything, and then literally, no joke, I would think within the hour we had a quote already, which was amazing. It just made me so happy on so many levels because of the safety and knowing that professionals were going to do it. And I will say we live in the forest, literally in the forest in 5 acres. So we have moss, and in the state of Washington, oh my gosh, moss is a huge problem always. Not only did we get this done, it was done safely, quickly, efficiently. Even when we go to resell our home, in a couple of years, we will definitely be looking at Guardian Roofing to do the rest of our home. We live in a rambler, so we have lots of peaks and a lot of space that it has to cover. They literally came out the week after Thanksgiving, called us on a Monday, said they were going to be there, I think, on Tuesday. We weren't even there. They showed up. The technician called my husband. They talked through a few things that were around the house. We ended up having a friend's trailer was parked next to the shop, and he was concerned about that, and he didn't want to get that dirty. So the guy was like, "Oh, no problem. I have a tarp." The guy threw a tarp over this trailer for us. It was great. I got home that night and it was done. I mean, it was just so sweet and simple and, very happy with it. I mean, there wasn't a sign that there was 5 years of moss on that roof. And we would definitely refer Guardian Roofing to anybody who asks, whether it's for cleaning or actual, roofing of whatever project they're looking at.